Your thumbnail is the first thing your audience are going to see before they click on your videos, and trust me, your thumbnail has to be very, very powerful, very attractive, and doing all of the justice that it needs to be done for your audience to actually be able to click on your videos. If your thumbnail is not doing justice, your audience are just going to be swiping past your video, no matter how valuable your video are, no matter the kind of value that is packed in your video. If your thumbnail is not doing justice or is not sparking the curiosity that is supposed to bring out in the minds of your audience, then you will not be getting the clicks and the views that you would want in order for you to grow your own YouTube channel. All of these thumbnails that you are seeing are actually thumbnails that I've used in my YouTube channel over time, and it has given me results, which I am going to be teaching you right now how you can be able to also make this kind of thumbnail that is going to bring your audience to actually click your videos. Okay, so the first thing I do whenever I want to create a thumbnail is to go to YouTube and then type in YouTube thumbnail hack, or to type in YouTube thumbnail. Now for this particular video, okay, I'm going to say YouTube thumbnail hack. Now you are doing this to get an inspiration. When it comes to thumbnail, you want to get ideas from other creators, or you want to see what other videos that are doing well, the kind of thumbnail that the creator actually used. So when you do this, you are going to see that it's going to bring a lot of other videos that is talking about thumbnail, and you are going to see the kind of thumbnail that they actually use to get good views in their videos. Because of course, any video that is going to show up here on your Google Chrome when you type that YouTube thumbnail hack is going to be top videos that are actually doing well in the YouTube street or in the YouTube space. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and click on images so that I will get more of these ideas, because of course you want to be creating thumbnail that is working on the YouTube space, thumbnail that is sparking curiosity, and that is also passing a message that is going to help your audience to want to click on those videos that you have created. Right, like I said before, if your videos, no matter how valuable it is, if it is not sparking the curiosity, your audience will not click. Now I'm going to go ahead and save some of this thumbnail. Mind you, I'm not going to save the ones that has faces of the creator. Right, I'm just going to save some that looks like something that I can use to recreate mine. You are doing this again, like I said, for inspiration, and so that you will get better clicks whenever you upload your videos. Right now, once I am done with this, I am just going to save it and then go straight to the app that I used, which is Hypic. I'm going to leave the spelling on the screen for you guys. When I open the app, I'm going to go down and click on the video that I want to use for my thumbnail. Right, don't forget I saved some pictures of thumbnail designs from Google Chrome. I am going to be using them to actually create this thumbnail and show you guys later on. So once I'm done with clicking the video that I want to edit on this app, I'm just going to go ahead and change the background to be black, because of course with thumbnail, black is really attractive. Right, then I'll click on the picture and then take it to one side, just so that I can be able to design the other side of the picture or the thumbnail. Right, because of course this picture is not in a 16:9 ratio, which is the normal YouTube length, right, that it should supposed to be. So first thing I'm going to do is to take out the background, and I'm going to click on cut out, and also going to click on auto select, and it's going to highlight the particular picture that is going to cut out, and I'll click on OK, take it to the left hand corner of this picture, and then I'll adjust it very well just so that it will suit the angle that I want, and then I'll go ahead and click on overlay. Now this is where the pictures that I saved earlier are going to come in. Right, I can use it to design the kind of things that I want the thumbnail to actually say. Now this is the more reason why I said you shouldn't take the one that has the face or the picture of the creator, right? Now I can actually use this or this particular thumbnail that I took out from Chrome to actually buttress my point further, because of course with your YouTube thumbnail you want to spark curiosity and you want to be also sending a message to the audience, right? Now I have seen that particular one would not really give me the attraction that I want, so I'm not going to be using it. I will just go ahead and use in text, right? And here I'm just going to write YouTube thumbnail hack, something that is going to really interest my audience, right? You want to put in, if you are using text, you want to put in words or keywords that are really going to attract or really want your audience to be curious to click on the video, right? So I am going to just write that. I'm going to also change the font size. I'm also going to change the color just to make it more attractive, because of course with your thumbnail you want to make sure that you are using colors that are bright. You want to also make sure you are using font size that are bold. You want to also make sure that your write-up are readable, they are not tiny, which means you should use larger font size, which is what I just mentioned. And you also want to make sure that the write-up are short and they are not long, that somebody has to be reading it for a long time, because of course your audience don't have that retention span to be watching your thumbnail. Okay, they just have like few seconds to look at it and see if it's something that is interesting. So you want to make it look interesting, and you want to make sure it's also passing a message that is also like solving a need. For this one now, YouTube thumbnail hack, you can see that this is actually also passing a message of a solution for people that don't know how to create thumbnail that will spark curiosity or get them views. You can also see that this is actually letting them know that there is a hack or there is an easy way to actually create your thumbnail. Once I'm done with the graphics for the thumbnail that I want, I will go ahead and put in some coloring, some brightness, some sharpness to my picture, just so the picture is not boring, right, or is not dull. Now you guys, this picture is actually an AI generated picture, and I have made a video showing you how you can be able to generate AI pictures that you can use for your faceless YouTube channels. And just in case you are not in a situation where you can snap pictures, you can actually use your AI generated picture. Now this is the thumbnail I just created, and I went ahead to export it so that I can save it. I'm also going to show you another thumbnail that you can actually use. Like, I'm going to redo another thumbnail just to play with the tools that this app actually has, because of course this app has a lot of things or tools that are really going to help you do a beautiful thumbnail. You just want to know what these tools are doing and know how to use them perfectly. That is another way to actually get to know the app better and be able to use all of the tools. Now this is another one that I used, something that I saved from the Chrome that we saw just now, and I'm using it to create a thumbnail. Now this is also beautiful, this is also attractive, this actually sparks curiosity and is also passing a message to my audience that if they watch this video, they are going to be taking their views from 27 views to 100k views, right? And that is exactly what a lot of people want, especially you that is watching this video. You want a situation that is going to give you solutions to averting boring thumbnail. I'm also going to change it and also do something else that is going to also be beautiful to actually do, because with this app you can do a lot of things, right, or a lot of designs for your YouTube thumbnail. So just go ahead and play with it and do a lot of things. You can actually do a lot of things. You can actually achieve a lot of things. Now let me go over to letting you know some of the tips that you should keep in mind when it comes to creating a thumbnail. Like I've said before, if you are creating a thumbnail, number one, make sure you are using bold letters or font size. Number two, make sure that your thumbnail is sparking curiosity. You want to create a thumbnail that is beautiful, that has sharp colors, that has bright colors, attractive colors, that has blends of colors that are working together, not conflicting colors, that is going to attract your audience, right? Number three, you want to make sure that your thumbnail is passing a message of solution to your potential audience. Like if they see your thumbnail, let them know that there is going to be a solution in this video for the particular problem that you are trying to solve, right? So if your thumbnail is actually passing a message that you are, going to show them, or you are going to solve a problem for them, definitely they are going to click on your video, right? And you also want to make sure that just having good thumbnail is not the final thing. You want to also make sure that you are also doing a very valuable content, because of course if they click on the video, that is one thing. For them to sit on your video for long is another thing. And if you've sat on this video this long, thank you so much, you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more, because on here I teach you how to grow here on YouTube, make good money, monetize your YouTube channel, and I also give you tips on how to go about that, because I currently run 5 YouTube channels and I've monetized 3 out of them, and I'm using all of this knowledge that I have gained in these years to actually teach you on here on this YouTube space. Now this is another beautiful one that I've created right here, and this one looks very, very beautiful. I feel it's simple, it has beautiful colors, and it's really giving the curiosity that I want. What do you guys think, right? Tell me what you think in the comment section, and let me show you all of the thumbnail that I was able to generate. This is one of the thumbnail that I was able to generate. Okay, I'm sure this is going to be what you are going to see from the beginning. This is another one I was able to generate. Let me know the one you love most and the one you are going to use. Also, if you are going to be using this app, let me also know. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.